Hello, my dears. Here's Sally, and today we just have one exercise to strengthen your belly. If you feel you need more confidence, more power in your belly, or even just more awareness to reach a goal what you have, make it comfortable on your back and we start directly. Put one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest, connect inside. Feel your breath. And then pull your knees close to you. Put the hands on the knees. Connect with your lower spine. And with the inhale, stretch your legs wide. And also your arms overhead. Your legs are together in a 60-degree angle. With the inhale, exhale, bring them close to you. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. This is all we do, and we continue for the next 6 minutes. The arms are also a little bit above 60 degree. And for the legs, it's really important that they're in 60 degree, because then you really activate your meridian of the heart. It's coming from the toes until your heart, and also from the fingers until your heart. So inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Find your own rhythm. It's getting meditative when you continue, and just keep doing it. I'm with you. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Connect with your breath. Your breath is guiding you. Whenever you feel the need to have a break, then take it. It's okay. And the most important thing is that you keep coming back to the rhythm. So whenever you need a break, take it, but come back. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. And really connect. Your breath is your guidance. You can also invite the image of a butterfly. I feel it's like flying on, just lying on the ground. You have to support the earthing, but on the other side, you're really light in your arms and your legs. Invite the ease. Support your belly. With a strong belly, you can live fully from your heart. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Find your rhythm. Connect deep inside. If it's easier, the knees can touch or the toes can be touched. It's like the butterfly who is flying from one flower to another one. And you find your own way while doing it. If you stop, it's like you're stopping on a flower. And then, when you're fully charged, you're ready to continue flying. Half time, you're almost done. Keep continuing. Yes, you can do it. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. If you feel you need to invite a sound so you're more supported, you can just make the sound. Was the exhale? Inhale, strengthen yourself, open, exhale. Or you can invite the so hum. So was the open, hum, closing. And just let it more come from the inside. So open, hum, closing. So open, hum, closing. So open, hum, closing. Your own rhythm. Beautiful! You're doing it perfectly. How you're doing it? For the last minute, really give all what you can. Where do you want to fly? Which dream do you want to reach? With a powerful belly, you can reach everything. So keep flying. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Stretch the legs. Press the whole muscles against your bones. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And exhale. Bring the knees really close to your belly. Lift your head and make yourself as small as you can. Take a breath here and then relax. And start to circle your knees. Start to relax your lower back, your belly, your legs. What do you need right now? Are there circles you can make with your knees? Or is it more a small forward, backwards or sideways moving? What does your body need right now? And slowly get ready for Shavasana to really let this exercise sink into your body, into every cell. Your feet are hip width apart, toes are softly falling to the side, and feel free to find a position for your hands, either just to the side, but maybe they're also on the belly or on the chest. Wherever it feels good for you right now. Relax your jaw, relax your face, and feel inside. your breath and come back to your body. Bring your right knee close to you and pull it with the left hand to the left side. We are coming in a twist. Look upwards or to the right. It's a beautiful twist to balance left and right body part with each other. Relaxing your spine as well. One breath and then relax, change the side. Bring the left knee to you, pull it with the right hand to the right side. Look up or to the left side. And take a few breaths on this side. Inhale, and with the exhale, slowly come back to the center and rub the sole of the feet together. Rub your palms together. Energize yourself. Really increase the heat. Yes. I love this exercise. And then 5 to 7 times roll along your whole spine. Get as round as you can. Activate inside. Until you come to a seated position. Wonderful. Roll your shoulders up and with the exhale back and down. Feel, how do you feel right now? Give yourself a smile. And thank you so much for flying today with me. I hope to see you again. Namaste.